James and Max here, and welcome to 500 a pop. We are getting $500 payments every day on demand in a crazy, crazy new way. Number one, right off the bat, we're showing our perfect target customers what they can get ahead of time. This is absolutely nuts. Let's break down the situation. There are businesses all over the world, and believe it or not, many of them, to the tunes of millions of them, don't even have a website. I know that's crazy. You're like, a business in 2025, a business in 2026 doesn't have a website? They're out there. There's also millions of businesses out there that have horrible websites. But everybody knows we need websites. But the bottom line is these businesses are getting hit up all the time. They say, you need a better website. You need a website. How much is it? Oh, it's $10,000. That's problem number one. Problem number two is, even though a business knows it needs a website or a better website, all these people, all these businesses are making claims that their website is going to be so amazing, but they're not willing to pay $5,000, $10,000, not knowing what they're going to get. Here's where 500 a pop flips this on its head. We create these amazing websites ahead of time without the customer even having to pay. And we show them the already completed website, and it's like, it's got your name, it's got your branding, it's got everything done. Do you want to have it? They already see it ahead of time. That's what's crazy. And it costs us nothing to produce these things. So at 500 a pop, we understand the problem. Businesses have horrible websites or they don't have websites at all. We all understand problem number two. All these players out there trying to charge them thousands of dollars. And then problem number three, the business is like, I don't want to pay all that money, not knowing what I'm going to get. So we get them the website ahead of time. Takes up seconds to produce. You could do this anywhere in the world for free. And we're heroes. We're heroes to these people. Imagine selling something and people are thanking you, handing you over $500 payments over and over again. And the thing is, it's cool to have a product called 500 a pop, but we're actually getting much more than that in many cases. 500 a pop is like the lowest barrier of entry, but there are millions and millions of websites out there that we can go after. We can't go after them all. We just don't have the time. That's why we're bringing you this product, because this is wide open. All you have to do is grab the bull by the horns and go for it and make money. We're crushing it. Max, I know we're going crazy. You're getting payments in euros. This is nuts right now.
Yeah, so guys, this is definitely amazing. We've been doing this for quite some time now. We're building these websites in all kinds of niches for all kinds of clients all around the world in a matter of seconds without any skills. Like if you can click a button, you can now click a website that other businesses all around the world will thank you for, because they will be making more money because of you. So this is a win-win situation. There is demand right now. There will be demand in a year from now. There will be demand in 10 years from now. Because what is one thing that a business always needs? A website. Yes, and as James already said, so many businesses out there don't have websites, or they have like super low quality websites, so they're leaving a lot of money on the table. And inside of 500 a pop, we don't just show you how we build these websites, we also show you how to get them in front of the right people right away without any like complex learning curve. Like you build that website in a matter of seconds, you get it in front of your dream customer. Your dream customer is going to be like, wow, this looks way better than what I have, and it's way cheaper too. Like, let me get in, please. And to make this even crazier, we also show you how we make recurring commissions on the back. So this is definitely a super crazy program. It's a business in a box and something that there is so much demand for. So make sure to pick this up. The link is down below and we can't wait to see you inside.